gLabs is Grant Street Group's innovation lab. gLabs projects are selected for their potential learning value and for our ability to effectively demonstrate these innovative ideas to our clients.
Projects that fulfill a need for clients and further enhance our product offering are green-lighted for delivery. Grant Street employees and interns bring these projects to life. Keep watching to learn more.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the online appointment scheduler and check-in system gLabs demo. My name is Caroline Kolchiski, and I'm a business analyst intern at Grant Street Group this summer. I'm currently a rising senior at the University of Pittsburgh, studying mathematics and minoring in computer science and studio arts.
Hi, I'm Sophia Lau, a software dev intern at GSG, and I'm a rising junior studying electrical and computer engineering and public policy at Carnegie Mellon University.
Today, I'm going to demo a prototype of our summer gLabs project, which has two main components. The first is an online appointment scheduler that will allow customers to book appointments before coming into the office. The second component is a check-in system that allows customers to notify the county that they are at the office ready for their appointment. With this project, one of our main focuses is evaluating the concept of appointment only. What this means is that customers will need to have a scheduled appointment in order to be assisted by a county employee. The benefit to this approach is that customers would no longer have to wait in a queue in the office. Instead, they could arrive a few minutes before their scheduled appointment and check in via their mobile device, and they would only need to step foot in the office when the employee is ready for them. This leads me to mention a few key goals that we have with this project. First and foremost, our goal is to help you manage customer flow in your offices by helping decrease the number of people in the office at one time, reducing the duration of appointments, and minimizing wait times. We also aim to help you reduce common touch points and limit employee and customer interaction in order to keep your offices as safe as possible. In addition, we wanted to build an appointment system that would gather appointment details from the customer upfront and use this information to redirect them to fill out relevant forms before their appointment, as well as encourage them to complete their transaction online when possible. For today's demo, I will first walk through how a customer might schedule and check in for an appointment. Then I will walk through how county employees can navigate the system. I'll begin on this page, which would be accessible from the county website. Right now, I'm going to act as a customer. As you can see, I can select whether I want to book a new appointment or cancel an existing appointment. I'm going to schedule a new appointment. Now I'm going to select that I've just purchased a new vehicle. Then I'm going to say that I purchased the vehicle out of state. Next, I'm brought to a screen that displays some of the documents that are required based on my appointment type. If a customer doesn't have one or more of these documents, they may choose to stop here. Let's say that I have all of these required documents, so I'm going to click Continue Booking. Now I'm brought to a screen with multiple locations alongside their addresses and hours of operation. Here, the customer can choose the location most convenient for them. I'm going to choose downtown. Next, I'm brought to this page where I can choose the date and time of my appointment. As you can see, I can click around and explore my options. In this online appointment scheduler, we have built in the ability to create and display different time slots depending on the specific category of appointment, which is one of the reasons why our system asks the customer a few reasons about their appointment type. As you can see, time slots that are unavailable are grayed out and unclickable. I'm going to book an appointment for 12 o'clock today and click Confirm. Here, I can verify my appointment details and hit Confirm. Then I am prompted to fill out some personal information, including my name, email, and phone number. After I click Finish, I am brought to a confirmation page with my appointment details. Now I want to take a moment to highlight an important part of this page. Notice how, towards the bottom of the screen, there is a link to complete online forms before the appointment. If the customer clicks this link, they will be connected to our gLabs virtual office portal, where they can fill out digital forms before ever setting foot into the office, thereby reducing their time at the counter. For example, since I'm doing an out-of-state title transfer, I might want to complete my 82040 form on Virtual Office. This is just another example of how we encourage the customer to complete as much as possible online so as to limit their time in the office. Notice also how this page notifies the customer that they've received an appointment confirmation email. I'm going to check my email to see if I've received this confirmation. The confirmation email contains many of the same appointment details as the confirmation screen we just saw, such as the customer's name, the appointment date, time, and location, and the type of appointment, as well as yet another link towards the bottom of the email to fill out forms on our gLabs Virtual Office. In addition, there is a link where the customer can modify or cancel their appointment. Finally, there is a check-in link that the customer can click once they are at the office, ready for their appointment. Let's fast forward to the day of my appointment, and I'm at the office a few minutes early. I'm going to click the check-in link from this confirmation email, which will bring me to a page where I can verify my identity and appointment details. I also have the ability to select whether I would like to be notified via text message or phone call when I should go inside the office for my appointment. After I have verified my appointment details and my phone number, all I have to do is click check-in to let the county know that I'm here and ready for my appointment. I am then brought to this screen confirming that I've checked in, reminding me to gather required documentation, and letting me know that I can ask a receptionist if I need assistance with anything. Let's now say that I could not find my confirmation email. An alternative way to check in is to click a check-in link from the county website, which would bring me to a page like this, where I can enter my first name, last name, and an email or a phone number. After I click submit, the system will send me an email or text message containing a check-in link. Now that I have successfully scheduled an appointment and checked in as a customer, I'm going to demo how county employees can interact with this system. Let's say that I'm an employee, I just got off my break, and I'm ready to start helping customers. First, I go to this page, where I can see the customers who have upcoming appointments. Since I'm ready for the next customer, I'm going to click Next Appointment, which notifies the next appropriate customer that they should come to the office and brings me to a screen where I can see their appointment details. These details include the customer's name, contact information, and appointment type, as well as information regarding their previous appointments and digital forms that they have submitted. For example, here's an 82040 form that the customer submitted to our system through Virtual Office. Once the customer is at the office, I can click Start Appointment and begin assisting the customer. When I'm done assisting this customer, I can click End Appointment, which lets me know if there are any new customers to help. I also have the option to go back to the home screen whenever I want to view all of the customers with upcoming appointments. Now I will demo how receptionists can utilize the scheduling and check-in system. Let's say that I'm a receptionist who is assisting customers at the front of the office, and a customer walks up wanting to schedule an appointment. I have that ability to book them an appointment from this page. First, I am prompted to select an office location. Here, I can either choose my office or another that might be more convenient for the customer. I'm going to click Downtown again. Then I'm brought to an advanced view of the calendar. Here, I can choose the type of appointment to book, and I'm going to select basic driver's license for an example. In addition, I can view time slots based on different appointment types. Let's say that the customer I'm helping is traveling soon and wants a new driver's license photo around 1:30. However, this time slot has already been fully booked. As a receptionist, I can accommodate customers like these who need to be seen at fully booked times by manually overbooking a time slot. To overbook on our online appointment scheduler, I simply choose the time slot that works for the customer and book a new appointment in it. After I enter the customer's personal information and schedule their appointment, the customer should receive a confirmation email with appointment details, a check-in link, and a link to fill out forms through gLabs Virtual Office. Receptionists can also check in customers without mobile devices. As the receptionist, I can first search for a customer's appointment by entering any of their personal information. I'm going to enter the first name of Jane and the last name of Doe, and the email that I used previously. After hitting submit, I will be brought to a page where I can easily see the customer's appointment details, make notes for the agent, and click check-in. That concludes the demo portion of this presentation. To recap, there are various parts of our system that will help you manage the flow of customers. First, with this appointment-only based system, customers can schedule and check in for appointments all from their mobile device. They do not have to physically step foot in the office until the employee is ready to see them for their appointment, therefore reducing long lines in the office, limiting in-office wait times, and promoting a healthy environment. We built the scheduling system in a way that encourages customers to complete as much of the appointment process as possible online. The option to complete digital forms will make many appointments that need to happen in person faster and more efficient, since the employee will not have to take the time to assist the customer with completing the entire form. In the future, the customer information collected by the online appointment scheduler could be automatically pulled into the shopping cart of taxes to save employees time. Customers could have access to a wide variety of forms in gLabs Virtual Office, and appointment and check-in data could be displayed in Vision Pro. Thank you all for your time in reviewing our scheduling and check-in system, and we look forward to your feedback.